How to transfer Toncoin from Bitget to the Tonkeeper wallet. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now inside the Bitget application right here, you can just go ahead and navigate through the selection that we have under our screen, and you want to click on assets. Now inside the assets page, you want to click on the spot right here, and inside you can just go ahead and click on withdraw. Inside withdraw, you want to look for the Ton wallet or the Toncoin. Click on chain withdrawal, and from here we have the withdrawal network, which is the Toncoin network. You have the withdrawal address tag, and with the withdrawal amount. To go ahead and look for those, you want to navigate through the Tonkeeper wallet, and basically inside you can just go ahead and open up your wallet account. From here, click on receive, and you want to copy this address right here. Go back to the Bitget wallet and basically paste your withdrawal address. Right after that, you can just go ahead and type the withdrawal amount on the wallet right here, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.